Today we're going to bring a portable mobile watch charger. This is for the Apple Watch only. This you can carry out anywhere with you. If you're going to go on vacation, you're going to travel, and you need the extra charge for your watch, this is a good thing to carry around with you. I just want to let you guys know the vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review. So let's take a look at it. All right, so let's open it up. Oh, and they give you in pink color. They give you the USB charging station. Now the USB is a type A to micro USB. They give you instructions how to set it up, but pretty much this is a self-explanatory. There is an indentation here where you actually set your watch up. Now you could click on it and it tells you how many batteries you have. Right now we only have one. We're gonna put this to charge, but look at this. You can put this on your backpack. You can put it on your keychain, carry it around. Now when you bring a watch, you just pretty much just basically just drop it in there, and it just starts charging automatically from there. So if you guys noted, there's a charging station right there. It's lightning bolt. If you guys can see that, we're gonna put it again. I'm gonna put this watch right here, and it's charging. And there you go. It's from green, from red to green. Right now I don't have no charge, but as soon as you put it in there, look at that, green. So we're gonna go ahead and charge this station in here first, and then we'll charge the watch again. But look at this. You could put this on your backpack and you could carry it around with you anywhere. So besides charging station, this becomes the actual charging for any other device. It has that USB A to anything pretty much. And I have a type C that I'm gonna plug in. We just go ahead and plug it in, and look at that. Automatically starts charging from the actual device itself. So you guys can see I'm charging from this unit. Not only is it charge, you can even double charge. You can even do double charge your phone and your watch at the same time. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.